Welcome back to the channel. Some exciting news and some things to look forward to in the future. Because the channel's ever evolving, obviously with the Megane camper van, the Amarok even, I thought it best to bring somebody else into the channel, and here we have Mr. Miles Keating. You'll be seeing a lot more of Miles on the channel as we change how I've been doing videos. We're changing the name.
Yes, great name.
So we've come up with a new name, and it'll go live on the channel over the next couple of days. Apex Gears we've gone with. Some exciting things to come. So because we wanted to try and make a bit more of a varied content between both ourselves with Japanese stuff and European stuff, well, what can we expect to see?
Well, we've got project car builds going on. We've got a new project coming up that we'll be entering into a race series, so looking forward to that. We'll be doing road trips in the UK and around Europe. We're not just going to be focused on performance cars though, we are going to be delving into the overlanding with the pickups and 4x4s. And finally, we're going to be checking out some cool stuff, latest stuff that's being released around the world, and doing some great car reviews.
So in light of the next project coming up, I've decided to take a back step on the Mini. It was time. I didn't get what I wanted out of the car, and time was ticking, which is why the Megane came along. So we're going to take that engine, the K swap, out of the Mini and put it into the new project, which is going to come later this year.
Hopefully later this year, yeah.
And then we'll obviously video and progress that into what is going to be the race series that we enter. So lots of new stuff to come. I think after we've started to break the Mini today, and then the next video we're going to the Nürburgring.
Yep.
To collect a friend. We'll collect a friend's car who unfortunately had an accident, and yeah, we'll be filming that and taking you along for the ride.
There and back, 36 hours. That's what we've calculated.
So stay tuned, and we'll see you on the next one. Catch you in a bit.
See you guys.